Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Prof. Musa and Dr. Salah. My name is Nurul Alia Sofea binti Yosli and my matric number is 11823111. So, today I will present about my experience and knowledge that I have gained during my internship at M&A Metal Resources Sdn Berhad. Okay, firstly, for the industry background, M&A Metal Resources Sdn Berhad is located at Arab Malaysian Industrial Park in Nilai 3, where the head office is based on Philippines. This company was established on 21st November 2006. Basically, this company is a waste management company which involved in recycling of batteries, production and trading of lead. There are three processes that involve in the recycling batteries, which are battery breaking and plastic recovery, smelting and refining. Okay, next we go to the job responsibility. My responsibility as intern was a lab assistant. I assisted QA supervisor to perform tests on wastewater according to company method. There were a few instruments that I frequently used, which were harsh potable meter HQ40D, spectroquant at Prof 300 and harsh DR2 700. Besides, I also had knowledge in handling inductively coupled plasma but under supervision of QA supervisor, and sometimes I also use sulfur analyzer to determine the composition of sulfur in the filter press outside. Next is daily task. My daily task was to analyze industrial effluent treatment system, which is called as IETS wastewater samples. There are 5 main parameters that I had to test, which were pH, total suspended solids, chemical oxygen demand, fluoride and ion. Normally, I wait other staff to send the wastewater sample that was taken from IETS at the plant treatment in the industry. Usually, about 10 to 20 bottles of samples were sent to the lab. As the industrial effluent would be released and flow out into Syarikat Air Negeri Sembilan Science, all the criteria must be tested according to full standard A as required by the Department of Environmental as shown in the picture. On the other hand, my supervisor also gave me other tasks that I had to accomplish during my internship. The first task that I had to do was quality inspection on finished lead products. These products were produced from the battery which called as lead ingots. I had to check either the products were accepted or rejected according to the company's requirement. Also, I had to draft a standard operating procedure for daily water analysis according to the company method. As I mentioned before, the picture above are example of the lead ingots. In the picture A, show that the finished lead product that has been inspected before moved into the warehouse. Meanwhile, in the picture B, shows that the finished lead that has been transported into the container van. In this container van, I had to inspect again to ensure that all the products are in good conditions and put the number bundle stickers. Basically, I had to draft 7 standard operating procedures related to the IETS analysis, which were pH, pH meter calibration, total suspended solid by gravimetric, total suspended solids by spectrophotometer, chemical oxygen demand, fluoride and ion. Okay, next is knowledge and skill acquired. There is a lot of knowledge and skill that I have achieved during the internship, especially in terms of communication skill, laboratory skill and teamwork. At first, it's hard to communicate with my other teammates as I a little bit shy. However, slowly day by day I able to communicate very well with my teammates. As I work in quality assurance department, I also work with production team. But mostly of the workers are foreigners. There is a miscommunication with them as they can speak Malay and English very well. Apart from that, since I have not entered in the laboratory for 2.5 years, working in this industry can improve my laboratory skill. As we work in team, everyone give their best effort to work together to ensure that the work going well. As a conclusion, I gain more knowledge related to the chemistry course. Even though only 10% of my knowledge is applicable in the industry, I can learn and learn day by day to improve my knowledge. Apart from that, by working in the waste management industry, it is important to recycle batteries as it can avoid worse material waste. Most importantly, industrial training program is an eye-opening for me as it shows of the reality of working in the industry. Okay, lastly, before I end my presentation, I would like to share my current status, which is I still looking for a job. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you for your listening and have a nice day.